Hello, everyone. Today is May 22nd, 2023. It's Monday, and it's been very, very slow during the morning. I wanted to make a video specifically for gold. I'm bearish in gold, but today has been a range market, and I wanted to show you how I see the market here. No trades today, so you see it here. I do have all my accounts there. Now nothing has happened, so I haven't put any trades. It's been very, very, very slow. Early in the morning in gold, I do have. I saw this pennant or triangles there in the morning just before the market opened. So you have here from yesterday's price action, you have, or the overnight action, you have this high here, and then you have this low here right there. So what I did was so you have a pivot high there, a pivot low. There's no pivots in between. These things are movements, but they are not pivots. So you have a pivot high, a pivot low, then you have another pivot here, and then you have the second internal pivot there. There's a break out of this pennant to the upside. So that one was a good trade. The only problem is that it is at 3 a.m. So a little bit early. Then there was another pennant. You see that it went all the way up here to this pivot high right here, and then move down and make another pivot in, and another one right there. So you have one, 2, 3, and 4. This one actually failed to go to the upside and came back down. So at this point, I was thinking, okay, we are bearish, but since we have two pennants together, right, in kind of in the same area and overlapping, I think that this I thought that this was going to be a range market, which it is. You see all of this in the 30 minutes chart that we have here in the left. We do have that this tail, that tail, that tail, and that tail. I mean, it's been up down very much over the whole morning. So we will see where I am a bit bearish on this one, just because let me show you this. I'm gonna put a channel here. I'm gonna put that channel. So you put this one goes down there, and if it goes around this area here, probably it's a good candidate to be short, to short this or could be also that one there. We'll see, but I don't feel comfortable shortening in this low area right here, especially because it was basically because of this two pennants that we have here on these triangles. So I think that the reading that I made for the market was okay, not good, but it was fine. And then you have this area here that it's acting as a support. So you have a well-defined support area here. This one is a little bit higher, but then you have a third, a second area of support there, which is, for me, it's a well-defined area. So we will see if today or tomorrow this one is going to be violated and broken, and we can see if the short movement continues. Let me show you also. Oh yes, give me 1 second. I want to expand this. Again. Okay, on the daily on gold, right? So let me see. Let me show you this one here. So in this chart, you see that there is a right there. I'm going to put this one in yellow better. So in this area here, that one there is a level of support. It's been touched 1, 2, 3. No, this one is not. I'm going to Control Z. And then it was violated right here. Now it moved up and then down. So that's why I'm thinking that, gold should resume the move to the downside. We'll see if it does. There's another level here of support, which is actually nominal level. It goes to that pivot down right there. It's the 1950. So I'm looking at the 2000 for a potential bounce. If it moves right there, I would short it because I think that the 2000 works as a good resistance level. And 1950 would be the support. So there's plenty of space to go down right here. Now it's being supported by this, green candle. So you have some resistance at this level right here, and then that diagonal there is important as well. If you want to draw a channel, you could do that one in this too. Hold on. So I was confusing the tool. So here I'm gonna put a channel right there, and then you have this pivot low with that pivot low, and then from here you can get that one in the middle. So it could go up above a little or go up a little bit to the upper side of this channel, or you have some resistance here. We'll see what it's gonna do. But I'm leaning towards bearish in gold. And also you do have momentum. Never forget momentum. Momentum is to the downside, and it's being confirmed. You have this wave here, and now this wave, which is a lot deeper than this one here. So it's confirming direction. All right. So thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Thank you so much for watching.